I'm so tired. Need to hide from the cold. Oh, is that a house? Wow, another one. But it's got a price tag. And this? No way. That's a whole mansion. I could never buy that. Guess I'll just stay here. Hey! Guess who's ready to buy a house? Ew, gross. Let's see. Huh? Hi, welcome. Yeah, whatever. Oh, this house is mine. Cool. Oh, what's happening? Step aside. High class has arrived. So cool! Stop staring. Step away from the property. Hey, careful! Whoa! Cute little house. I'm buying it. Sold. And I'll just stay. I've got a ton of cardboard rolls. How can I use them? Oh, I know! First, fold them like this. Press the creases real good. Nice! Now let's start drawing. Gotta keep the lines sharp. There. Done! Now cut it out. Time to paint. Paint the edges well. Make a few more and paint them too. Bright colors are perfect. Now bend them round again. Flowers done. Love relaxing outside. Beautiful. Just need a fence. Nice. I've got an idea. Hey, can you make feather-like flowers? I think I can come up with something. First, put a skewer on plastic. Draw patterns with hot glue. Keep them close together. Now grab silver dye, paint it, and peel off the extra plastic. Nice. Gimme! Let's see. How cute! Huh? This is unacceptable! Servant! Look at their flowers. I want some too. Got it. These plastic plates should work. Stick them together and paint. Like that. Looks good. Whew. Ma'am, it's ready. Wow. Love how the gold goes with pink. Nice. Windows ready. Ooh, how dare she! Servant! Anyone need a repair pro? I need a window cooler than hers. Money's no problem. Ooh, I get it. First, check the size. Then smash out the holes. Done. Now for the mosaic. Add glue. Lots of it. Like that. Wait for it to set. Add the frame. Make sure there's no gaps. Perfect. Now install it. There. Done! Wow, so chic! I like it! Ow! Who threw that at me? Wasn't me! Take my money! Please don't hurt me! I'm watching you! No! Oh! I got the house dirty! Oh, now what? Wait! I can paint the whole house red! I'm so smart! Oh, this'll take forever! Need this lipstick bigger? Come on, grow! It worked! Nice! There! Much better! Like this! Perfect! How to match the house to the dress? Ta-da! Plus, now I can kiss it all I want! Let's see… I think I know what to do with this cardboard. First, draw a circle in the center. And shapes like flames. Looks like a sun. Nice! Time to cut. Now give it some color. This yellow is perfect. Add more paint. There! Now paint the rays. They gotta be as bright as the sun. Done! Looks awesome! Best house decor ever! Let's see how the sun shines when I make it rain! Allow me to cover you. Relax, this button makes golden rain. Ma'am, your house is pulled now. Ooh, love this color. Look at that beauty. Wow. Show off. How else can I decorate? Oh, I know. Let's start by drawing patterns like this. Careful, no rushing. Now over to this side. Patterns from roof to floor. Ta-da! Wood effect! Hey, look at that! Wow, that's epic! Really? Thanks! My roof's too plain. Got it! Hello, I need balloons. Whoa! Fast delivery! Come here. Let's tie you to the roof. Perfect! Oops! Maybe I used too much force. Servant, I have an idea. I want a soft roof. Understood. First, add a pillow. Then a blanket. Should work. Done! Wow! I could sleep here forever! Let's toss some seeds on the roof. Grow that greenery. Nature at its best. Is that a rooftop garden? Looks pretty good. Whatever. Ow! Ah! Stop! What the heck? Actually, these cups could be useful. Hiya! Nice! Now lay the bottoms like this. And we've got a path. Cool! Ta-da! I'll show them a real path. Just melt some gold. Done! Oh yeah, nothing beats gold. Watch and learn. And here too. What? Ugh! I can make a fancy path too. There, try to top that. Selfie time! Girls, I think we're finally done! Yay! Nice! I love it! Neighbor hugs! So cool! This game is fun! Right? What's going on? My makeup! You two go play outside! Yes, Mom! Let's get started! Come at more! So excited! Yeah! Ooh, I can see it! It's gonna burst! What happened here? Go play outside! Yes, Mom! Maya Lou! Wow! A bunk bed! There are so many good stuff! You got that right! Wow! Savvy? Is this our own bunk bed? I think it is! That's so cool! Oh, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's get our DIY on! And protective gear! Done! Hey! What? Just checking! Okay, let's clean! Let's go! Cleaning is not so bad after all! Whoa! Did they have the Spider movie premiere here? I don't need this and this. Especially not this. Gotcha! In the trash you go! Oh Maya, this box is so delicious now!
I want to take a picture of you!
Yeah!
Say cheese! I wonder how it turned out!
Let me see! Oh, so cute!
Ooh! This gave me an idea! Savvy!
Let's paint!
Yeah! I want a pink bed! So I'll mix in some white and red paint. Just eyeball it until it looks good. This should be enough. Now I'll just mix it until it's the right shade. Ooh, cool! Huh?
Maya, you will need this.
Ooh, great thinking, Savvy!
I know! Hey, let's paint, Maya!
Okay. Ooh, it's the perfect pink!
This is gonna look so good!
I know, right?
Almost done!
Wow, so beautiful! Wow, we have a window now!
Looks pretty good. Oh, what was that? Oh no! Let's try that! Incoming! How did I do? It turned out so nice! Let's do more!
An extra window! Savvy!
Oops, sorry! Wow, it looks so cool! Where's my…
Pillow fight! Wait, I have an idea! Let's put it here. This will add pizzazz to our window.
Great idea, Maya! It'll look like clouds!
How about some more here? Looks good! Hey, I found this pool noodle! I have a better use for this! Wow! It's a rainbow! And now some clouds! Perfect!
I can buy myself flowers! Nice! Oh, I know! Hey, Maya!
Wow! Ew, Savvy!
Got it,
It's
girl!
disgusting!
But look!
Wow, so beautiful!
I know!
Good job!
I know, go! Let me take a picture of you!
Cheese! Oh, but it's so empty inside.
I so agree with you!
What do we do? Found this yarn in the dumpster. I want to try this hack I found on TikTok. I'll drown the whole thing in glue. Make sure to coat it good, or else it won't stick. Now we need a balloon. This size is enough. Now we put it on a stable surface and wrap our yarn around it. Cute! Ooh, it's so squishy! Wow!
Maya, look! It's so cool!
Yeah, it's very nice. My project's better though. Just look at that detail. Last step, hang it up. Wow, it's so beautiful! Do you want to put this inside?
I do!
Come on!
Oh wait, Maya!
Wow, I'm in heaven! Savvy, what do you have there?
Maya? Nothing!
Huh? You're hiding something.
It's the truth!
Let's hug.
Sure!
Savvy! Chocolate! Hey, you need to share.
Okay, let's share!
Hold on.
Oh no, it's melted!
I know what to do.
Huh?
I'll make a mini fridge. That way, we can keep all our snacks fresh.
Great idea! Let me help you! Cool, huh? The foil will keep the chocolate cool! Almost done! It needs a nightlight, so we can see our snacks in the dark! Let's put it here! And now our snacks! Huh? This is all we have? So?
I know what to do.
Well,
Wish me luck.
Good luck, Maya, go! Oh, what was that?
Don't mind if I do.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. What?
I got it.
Yes.
Now we can make some more snacks. Now let's chop all the strawberries. Then add some light yogurt. Mix until all the fruit is covered in it. Now drop spoonfuls on a plate. And you're almost done.
Maya, what are you doing?
Try it. Oh, give me that. I knew it was missing something. There, perfect. Leave it in the fridge until it's ready. Let's wait. Wow. Let's try it.
Let me try. It looks good. Maya! This gaming idea. Our bunk bed was missing something. I'll give it back later, or not. Now what should we put in here? Nice! Huh? How about a bulb? Yes! It's beautiful!
Cheese! Thanks! Let's see.
Maya, let me see.
No! What's this?
Hold on. It's perfect!
Hold this. Now spin!
It's gonna look so cute! Yes! Cool! It ties everything together! Who needs picture frames? Am I right? So cute!
We did a great job!
Remember how it used to look?
Right.
Wow! Alright, let's go play!
Yeah!
It's so cozy!
Wow! I can see everything from here! Huh?
Come get the latest toys in our new toy shop!
Savvy, there's a sale in a toy shop! Take a nap! You doll, here I come!